In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign hotkeys in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know how to set up keyboard shortcuts that speed up your charting, order entry, and navigation so you can trade more efficiently and with fewer clicks. Start by launching Ctrader Desktop. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you recently updated, your layout and existing shortcuts should be intact. Make sure you're on the desktop app, since that's where full hotkey control is available. Next, open Settings and head to the Hotkeys tab. You'll find settings via the gear icon in the platform interface. Inside, the Hotkeys tab groups controls by area, making it easy to see what's already mapped and what's open for customization. Take a minute to browse the existing hotkeys. You'll see categories such as charts, trading, and layout. This is useful for learning the defaults, avoiding conflicts, and spotting gaps in your workflow. If there's a search bar, use it to quickly locate a command, like changing timeframes, toggling depth of market, or launching drawing tools. When you're ready, click the specific action you want to assign. Choose the exact function you'll use often, things like switching between chart types, placing a market order, or opening the order ticket. Selecting the correct action now saves time later and keeps your shortcuts consistent with how you trade. Press the key combination you want to use. Common modifiers like Control, Alt, and Shift help create memorable combos. Aim for something comfortable and unique, and avoid system-reserved shortcuts such as Alt plus F4. As you press the keys, Ctrader will capture the combination and display it. If it's already taken, you'll typically see a warning, so you can pick a different combo or decide whether to overwrite the previous one. Confirm by pressing Assign. This binds your chosen keys to the selected action. If Ctrader prompts you about replacing an existing assignment, confirm only if you're sure you won't need the old shortcut. You can always return and adjust later, so don't worry about making a change permanent. Click OK or Apply to save your hotkeys. Apply keeps the window open for additional changes. OK saves and closes. Be sure to save before exiting so none of your updates are lost. Finally, test your new hotkeys on a demo chart before using live funds. Open a chart, make sure it's the active window, and run through your shortcuts to verify they trigger the right actions. Practice until the keys feel natural. If anything doesn't behave as expected, revisit settings and refine your assignments.